Biya Kamal banangich katishal ka past tense ke tishu we tichi do jok kan banangejen walamo ken kono we nyam gwazame gore jeno deran dere channel dere je support dere subscribe ko mi chete ngi mi bre gwazame da shwa mala shube ka ji ka pas ko gor kono bu kon ngi nitin kon deran de tong na dere ngai ke je ka der tu ngi dere ngai ke je deran ka chwa jek ni chang bana je to gwazame ka do dan dong de kon ngai ni to English kana Thok Nath manam gwazame jene. Did you read? Did you read? Jin Shukwen. Did you read? Jin Shukwen. Did you read? Mulunu Jin Shukwen. Yes, I read. Shukwen. Yes, I read. Shukwen. Don't you lara and Shukwen. La yes mulude lurni ha. I read lurnu and Shukwen. Read karwada e queen. What did you read? What did you read? Me take a what a man, ngulud moka did ke you ke read ngulud kanama. What did you read? Janan gwasamane. Lodi chekweno. Chekweno. What did you read? Jinnu chekweno. Gwadame kan jingor. Jinnu mushikwen dere nangano ka kon tiaka lon chikon jinnu mala matne lo la lat kon jeno mushikweno chimukwen de ko la what did you read chimukwen mushikweno dere nangano no. I read newspaper. I read newspaper. Kwana warga sumi lare tango men me bashi de nangano ari newspaper minangje dere nangano minno kon jogwada me mo kono gulal gatum ari newspaper luno en shakun okay an shakun ke warga lari an shakun ke warga lari gwada me luno di I read newspaper an shakun ke warga lari Namada Lajan. Meridian Gwazamani, which newspaper did you read? Which newspaper did you read? Mulnodi, Awarga Sugleri, Mindian, Quenmo. But Gwachik on the Larnon, Awarga Sugleri, Mindian Chiqueno. De conshi, de conalat Guadame, Warga Sugleri, Mindian, she ko right con committed with Jogantama. Chiqueno, the collar no. Ewarga sugleri Indian chiqueno. Minuno, you cono dwarcha do Jomawan, qualabin young nige, cachublere madana chilat. Guasame Michalaro nene. I read newspaper. Lurnode, Quana netugleri. Do no lunode? Ya, Quana tugleri, ki hen Quana tugleri. When did you read newspaper? When did you read newspaper? Ene kweni jamo. Ene kweni warga leri ka jamo. Ene kweni jamo. When did you read newspaper? I read newspaper yesterday. Kweni Japan. Kweni warga leri pan. Kweni Japan. I read newspaper yesterday. Kweni Japan. Where did you read newspaper? Where did you read newspaper? Kweni Jagwasindian. Kweni je Gwasindien. Te mudir hai gwatame. Where mulur no gwada dan lat kadwotin. When lor ka nisheng ye dan kweni na mokaje. When did you read newspaper? Ene kweni jamo. I read newspaper yesterday go ye cheng ye dan le dijeje. But chakulo where did you read newspaper? Right now you dor ran and kweni gwada mutin. Kweni je Gwasindien. I read newspaper at home. I read newspaper at my home. Kwana je shengda. At my home, luni shengda. I read newspaper at my home. Kwana je shengda. When did you read newspaper? When did you read newspaper? Kweni warga sugni leri mo. why did you read newspaper? This is why did you read newspaper? Ngukweni warga supni lerimo. Ngukweni kaga jamo. Dera larno dongde alamu dongde rana gorda rejangach. Dua budanan kweni ni warga tu leri ele ngukweni jamo. Gwasame dera larde. I read newspaper for information. Kweni je ko bemin lero ngach. Deri larno no min lero de deri ngach. Gwasame, who did you read newspaper with? Kwen yena kel kanga. Kia kwen yena kel yena nga. Who did you read newspaper with? Kwen yena kel yena nga. Miteke ji kia kwen yena kel kanga. I read newspaper with my friend. Kwen neye kona masnika kel. I read newspaper with my friend. Kwen neye kona masnika kel. How did you read newspaper? How did you read newspaper? Lawarga sumni rini ki leri akweni idi. Lawarga leri akweni idi. I read newspaper slowly. Lahan warga sumni leri ki rini akwen amat ki akwen enini. Anono. Jan gwada dande konpektin. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, support the channel, so you won't miss any lesson that we upload on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.